Good afternoon, Standard Third. In yesterday's class, we have studied about my family and home. I have explained you about small family and big family. So today, in today's class, we'll be studying about extended family. Our family is linked with many other relatives, aunts and uncles from the mother's and father's side. Their children are all related to our family. Such a family is called a extended family. Our family get extended because of our relatives. Members of an extended family may not live in one house, but there is love and affection between them. सपोज़ हमारे घर पे अंकल आंटी नहीं रहते, फिर भी जो भी हमारा फंक्शंस रहते, जो भी हम लोग जीते हैं, तब वो लोग हमको फ़ोन करके कंग्रेचुलेशंस करते. ओके बच्चों, नेक्स्ट, they meet each other on several occasions. Now try this family tree. Rehna, who is in the third standard, was looking at a photo album of the people in her house. स्टूडेंट्स, आपका भी घर पे आपका फ़ोटो एल्बम रहते हैं, मम्मी का शादी का फ़ोटो एल्बम रहते, आपका नाना नानी का फ़ोटो एल्बम रहते हैं. आप फ़ोटो एल्बम खोल के मम्मा से पूछ सकते हैं ये फैमिली तभी कौन कौन थे, आपको क्या लगते वो लोग, ये सब आपको आपका मम्मी पापा से डिस्कस कर सकता है. Some faces appeared again and again in the album. Rehna asked her mother, "Who are all these people?" Her mother said, "They are all our relatives, your aunts, uncles, grandparents. You can see them all in these photos." Rehna asked her mother to explain it to her in detail. Rehna's mother then drew a diagram of her family. Now see, this is a diagram tree of Rehna's family. In the same way, student, you can draw your family diagram tree with the help of your parents. Okay. Coming to the next, you can changes in the family system. The family system changes as time goes by. At one time, grandparents, aunts, uncles, parents, siblings and cousins all lived together and formed one big family. This was called a joint family. जिस घर में सब लोग एक साथ रहते हैं, मतलब नाना नानी अंकल आंटी कजिन सब लोग, वो फैमिली को हम लोग जॉइंट फैमिली कहते हैं. When members of family move away because of their jobs or occupations, they start living separately, forming different families. Such smaller families are called nuclear families. Suppose हमारा पापा को ट्रांसफ़र हो गए दूसरे प्लेसेस में, तब हम क्या करते हैं, हम मम्मी पापा और हम बच्चे लोग सब शिफ्ट होते, तब हमारा फैमिली छोटा हो जाता है. सो दैट फैमिली इज़ कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. Okay, the family system has changed in this way. ओके, नाउ हाउस होल्ड कोर्स मतलब हाउस होल्ड काम. अभी हाउस होल्ड काम के लिए कौन हम लोगों को मदद करते हैं, फैमिली मेम्बर्स. अभी तब न्यूक्लियर फैमिली रहेगा तो हम लोग सब अकेले में काम करना पड़ता है हम लोग, लेकिन हम लोग जॉइंट फैमिली रहेगा तो हमारा काम बांट के हम लोग कर सकते. एक काम मम्मी कर सकते, एक काम आंटी कर सकते, एक काम नाना कर सकते, वैसे हम लोग बांट के काम करते हैं. Okay, so here the storing water, cooking and cleaning. See, these three different peoples are doing three different works, so the work will be very easy. Okay students, storing water, cooking and cleaning are the chores that need to be done in a family every day. Functions and festivals are often celebrated in the house. We have to welcome and entertain guests. The elderly people in the family need special attention. We should care for their health. There are many household chores which must be shared by everyone. If everyone in the family shares the work, no one has to bear the burden alone. Each chore is important and family members do these chores with a love and affection. We should be grateful for that. Okay, now keeping the house clean. Now whose responsibility is to keeping the house clean, students? It's our responsibility to keep our house clean and beautiful. So who will help us? Our parents will help us to keep our things and our house in a right place. Okay, a clean and tidy house is a pleasing. If there is a mess everywhere, no one can find their things on time. अभी हमारा चीज़ें किधर उधर रहेगा तो हम लोग टाइम पे ढूंढ नहीं सकते, लेकिन वो टाइम पे अच्छे सही जगह से रखेगा तो हम इजीली हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं, और तो हम लोग ढूंढ ढूंढ के और मेस करते हैं ना बच्चों. Okay, keeping the house clean and tidy is a responsibility of every person in the family. We should throw rubbish in the dustbin and not throw it around. Garbage should never be thrown outside the house. This helps to keep the environment clean. Okay, next, what we remember about this? We have to remember wet and dry garbage should be separated and put into separate bins. This we have been doing all through the days. Wet garbage is useful for making manure. Paper, glass and metal can be stored out from dry garbage and recycled. So next, coming to do you know? The use of electronical devices like mobile, CDs and DVDs, pen drives and computer has increased greatly. When these things are damaged, they become useless. This gives rise to e-waste. The disposal of e-waste is a big problem. Okay. Next, decorating the house. Whenever think you are celebrating your birthday today, so what will you decide? How will you decide you will celebrate your birthday? Who will decorate the house? Who will get the things? How to decorate? So first all the family members make a group and will discuss, get together. हम साथ में मिलके discuss करते how you want to decorate the house. उसके बाद ask adults to help with those things that you can do yourself. Next, what materials have used for the decorations? Now what materials we will be using for decoration? We use flowers, thermocol, paper and rangoli to decorate our house. So in the page number 109, they have given a list of things that you use to decorate our house. Is it right or wrong? So you have to make a tick mark in your textbook. So using flowers for decoration, yes, right, you have to put a tick mark, right. Thermocol, no, wrong, we should not use thermocol for decoration. Plastic, no, we should not use plastic for decoration. Paper, yes, we can use paper for decoration. Put a right mark for that, paper. Thermocol, wrong. Plastic, wrong. Flowers, right. Paper also right. Rangoli, right. We can use rangoli. Chemical colors, no, wrong. We should not use chemical color for decorations. Okay. Now festivals. We celebrate many festivals in the family. In the same way, different kinds of festivals are celebrated in different regions of the country. Agriculture is the main occupation in our country. Many of our festivals are related to agriculture and environment. Holi is a festival that marks the end of winter. In Punjab, Baisakhi is celebrated at harvest time. In Maharashtra, we celebrate Bali Pola when the sowing of crop is over. During harvest season in Tamil Nadu, Pongal is celebrated, while in Kerala they celebrated Onam. Dasara, Diwali and Gudi Padwa are celebrated when the farm produce is ready. These are all one function, student, one festival, but in different countries they have given different name. Okay, understood? Next, Paryushana Parva, Buddha Purnima, Ramzan, Eid, Christmas and Pateti are important festival. Whatever the festival, all Indians take part in them happily and wish one another very well. Okay, see, any festival, let it be Hindu, Muslim, Christian, we all togetherly celebrate this festival and will greet each other. Happy festival, Happy New Year, Happy Diwali, isn't it, student? So coming to the national festival, Independence Day and Republic Day are our national festivals. Independence Day and Republic Day are our national festivals. All citizens celebrate them. All citizens celebrate them on 15th of August every year. In India gained independence from the British on 15th of 1947. Hence, that day is celebrated as Independence Day. The Indian Constitution was adopted from 26th of January in 1950. So, this day is known as Republic Day. Festivals bring people together. The feeling of togetherness grows. Festival includes song, dance, rangoli, games, competition and races. While celebrating festival, we must take care not to harm the environment. While celebrating festival, we must take care not to harm the environment because environment is the gift given by our God. Small children and old people suffer if music is played too loudly. Loud noises causes noise pollutions. India has several Adivasi tribes. The Warli tribe live in Thane district. Can you all see Thane district that is marked in orange color? Okay, there the Adivasis live. In June, at the beginning of the monsoon, they celebrate a family festival called Koli Baji. In June, this plant grows after rains begin. Family members go out into the surroundings and collect the fresh tender koli. The vegetable is cooked and an offering is placed before the gods. And next, what do we celebrate? Makara Sankranti. Makara Sankranti is a festival celebrated in winter. On this day, friends and relatives give each other til good. मतलब सीसेम और जैगरी से बना हुआ है एक मीठा चीज़ें वो हम लोग हर किसी से हम लोग बांट के विश करते हैं. Sesame is an important winter crop. Sesame is good for winter as it helps to keep us warm. So, to conclude this lesson, what have we studied in this lesson? In a family, we are secure in every way. Families are of different types. Small families, big families, extended families. And next, a family tree shows several generations of people. And every household core is important. We must keep our house surroundings clean. Many of our festivals are linked with the agriculture and environment. Independence Day and Republic Day are our national festivals. Festival increase the feeling of togetherness among people. During festival, we meet each other, talk to each other and feel connected. Okay student, have you all understood the lesson? Now coming to the exercise part, what does a family provide? A family provides food, clothing and shelter. Okay. Now these question answers you have to write down in your EVS notebook. After writing, you have to send a clear picture on my WhatsApp number. Are you clear students? Next, who take care of us when we are ill? Our parents take care of us when we fall ill. When do members of an extended family come together? Members of an extended family come together on several occasions such as celebrations of festivals. Next, what kind of activities occur during a festival? The activities that give us joy such as song, dance, rangoli, games, competitions and races occur during festival. Okay, now write whether right or wrong. We must help each other in times of difficulty. Right. All family members should share the household chores. Right. Garbage should not be thrown in garbage bin. Wrong. Music should not be played so loud as to cause noise pollution. Right. So, hereby I have completed the portions of December month. I will be giving the notes after this lecture. You have to write it down in a workbook. Okay students, after writing send me as my work is finished in my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a great day.